Welcome back to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for every Bitcoin user: security basics for Bitcoin beginners. Let's jump right in and fortify your crypto knowledge. First and foremost, let's talk about your wallet's private key. This key is like the master key to your digital Bitcoin vault. Rule number 1, never ever share your private key with anyone. If someone gets it, they can access your Bitcoins. So keep it secret, keep it safe. Now, about your wallet backup. Remember the mnemonic phrase from when you set up your wallet? That's your backup. Store this phrase in a secure place, like a locked drawer or a safe. Some people even go the extra mile and use a metal backup to protect against fire or water damage. Next up, watch out for phishing scams. These are tricky emails or websites that pretend to be legitimate to steal your information. Always double-check URLs and email addresses. If something looks fishy, it probably is. Let's talk passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your wallet and exchange accounts. Avoid obvious choices like birthdays or password 123. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is the way to go. And consider using a password manager to keep track of them all. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is your next layer of security. Activate it on every service that offers it. This usually involves a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for your security. Be cautious with online services. Don't keep large amounts of Bitcoin in online wallets or exchanges. Think of them like a wallet in your pocket, convenient for daily use, but not the place for your life savings. Hardware wallets are a big yes for storing large amounts of Bitcoin. These devices store your private keys offline, safe from online hackers. And lastly, stay informed. The world of Bitcoin is always evolving. Keep up to date with the latest security practices and trends. There you have it, your beginner's guide to Bitcoin security. Remember, in the world of Bitcoin, being security savvy is not just smart, it's essential. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more Bitcoin know-how. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.